Hey everyone, it's Diablo Killer 124, and today we are going to be continuing fixing right here. Like I said, we did not create GID yet, but we will in this tutorial. Um, what we need to do is change this a little. So we're going to select all from. Actually, we're not going to select all. We're going to select GID from users where instead of GID equals get UID username, we'll do username equals just username. That makes it a little simpler. And then we will do row equals MySQL fetch assoc res if row equal row GID doesn't equal 0, die, you are already in a guild. Okay, so now we'll save that, and now it'll select GID, so it should let us create a guild even though we shouldn't be able to. That's because we didn't create it yet. Localhost / phpMyAdmin. La 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 la. Okay, so now I'm going to my users table, and after it loads, okay, we're going to go to the structure. Oh, and I'm not in a guild, I just realized that. We're going to add one field at the end of the table. Actually, yeah, at the end of the table. I'm sorry. And this is going to be called GID, and it's just going to be an integer. And I'm going to save it. And also, we're going to be using the explode function later, so we'll have like, we're just going to use the explode. Basically, you put a delimiter, like a semicolon, in between each, like integer, like you have like 10, and then a semicolon, 25, semicolon, etc. Which, what that does is, it splits it up. And it splits it up so it would be 10, 25, and it would be in an array, which will come in handy later. See, MySQL fetch assoc, expects parameter. Now that should go away when I refresh it. Perfect. So now I'm going to create a guild, and it's going to be Cool Guy Guild. I'm going to submit it. Your guild, Cool Guy Guild, has been created. Please wait to be redirected. And I was redirected, and date created is July 19th, 6:49. It's 11:49, but it's close. Well, only 8 hours off. We're in here. We haven't done anything yet. Have we done that yet? No, we have not. Okay, that's what we're going to be doing next. We're going to be showing guilds. Actually, I think we did do that. I'm just going to pause it. Okay, well, we technically already did it, so it would show that, but I did notice something, where we have select all from users where GID equals ID, which is the guild ID. When we create a guild, it's not inserting into that. So we will have to make a new res 3 equals MySQL query, insert into users, just GID, values, GID will be, I'm gonna get a function. I forgot the function, but I'm gonna grab a function right quick and then I'll show you. Alright, I do have the function. It's MySQL insert ID, which is pretty simple. Right now, where we have insert into users, we're going to be inserting GID, and the value will be MySQL insert ID, and then it'll be res2. just like that. And what that does is it gets the ID used in an auto increment for this, and the auto increment is GID for guilds or whatever, so it'll insert the same ID as guilds, which is really nice. I'm actually, let's use this for registering. I think that's a good idea. Oops, never fixed that one. That's fixed now. Okay, I'm going to come into here where we have insert into users extra. And we're going to use an ID also. We're going to do ID. And then right here, we're going to do... I just have to fix it really quick. Okay, perfect. Res2 still. Okay. So now it'll get that ID, which will be nice. I just thought of it. Well, I didn't think of it, but I looked it up, and yeah. I remembered using it once, so... now we'll save everything, and I'm going to delete my guild. I really need to add RAM to this computer. It's really lagging when I'm recording. But it'll do until I get a new computer. So I'm deleting it. Okay, it's deleted, and now there shouldn't be any guilds. So perfect, now it's going to show all the guilds. Which maybe we should make it say this guild doesn't exist, I'm not sure yet. Cool guy guild. Submit. Reader.php. Oh, MySQL insert ID expects parameter 1 to be resource boolean given. Alright, so I'm just going to pause it and take a look. Okay, so I looked it up, and we should be using the link identifier or nothing. So I'm just gonna where we have res2, I'm just gonna come to the end, and not the end, but right before the I'm just gonna erase res2 right there for MySQL insert ID. That'll also work, I think. And I'm gonna do it for register.php too, so I don't forget later. And if it doesn't work, I know what to do still. Don't worry. So now I'm just going to come delete the guild again. Oh, okay. I was going to say, I didn't even create a guild. And I'm also going to come to users, and I'm going to GID. Why did it insert another one? That's not weird. Okay, so it's still 0, so I just deleted that other thing. And act equals guild, and code equals 2. Creating a guild again, and this guild will still be cool guy guild. Yeah, submit. No errors, no errors. Perfect, no errors. Now I'm going to take a look. We're going to browse and see if GID changed 5 or 6 or whatever. It did change, but it created another user, and I think I know why. Because we have insert into. We need to update users. Oh wait, no, not there. That's register.php. FP guild, we still have insert. We're gonna update users set GID equals that. Hold on. Just like that. Now let's save it. And let me delete this. Come to guilds. And I'm going to delete this. Oh, I forgot to save the source code for the last one. So, there won't be any source code, but you'll probably be just downloading the latest one, because they all have the same thing, except, updated. And code equals 2. Guild name is Cool Guy Guild. Submit. It's been created. No errors again. Let's check the users. I'm about to get a text. I can sense it. Yep, perfect. Okay, GID is 6. Let's go to guilds and hope that's the GID. Oops. That's the GID too. GID is, or ID is 6. Perfect. Now let's view the guild and see if we can see ourselves. And we don't. Woo! And I'm going to stop now. I'm at 10 minutes and 35 seconds. I really did not realize it. I hope I can go to 10 minutes and whatever. If not, I'll cut some off. Comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.